Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this very big down channel of Bonfida. And I also want to show you another up channel that Bonfida has formed on the daily time frame chart, and within this up channel it has formed a symmetrical triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Bonfida that I shared a few days back on 14th of August with my members at the Patreon. And by the way, before this pattern, this was by the way a Gardley move, I shared another Gardley pattern that was, let me show you the previous pattern. This is the current one, and here we have the previous pattern that I also shared a few days back on 16th of July, by the way, in the previous month. And that was another Gardley pattern. And this pattern was formed with a Bitcoin pair. Our buying zone was from 1906 and goes to 1851 Bitcoins. And our sell targets were from 1982 and goes to 0.00002063 Bitcoins. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well. That was a very big pump. As per the Fibonacci sequence, normally I define these sell targets, but most of the times the price line pumps even beyond the sell targets. And here we have another example of this, and you can see that this was a very big pump, very big pump. And now recently, almost 3 days ago, 4 days ago, on 14th of August, I shared this recent pattern that was also formed by the way with Bitcoin pair. And I think it was also on the 4-hour time frame. Yes, it was also formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this is the new chart. And here our buying zone was from 22.44 and goes to 21.82, and our sell targets were from 23.31 and goes to 0.00002421 Bitcoins. Now here we can observe that after playing this chart, the price line moved slightly down, and in fact here we had another support here at this level, and the price line tested the next support. And after testing this support, within few hours the price line recovered back, and after hitting the sell zone, now it is again moving inside this potential reversal zone. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here Bonfida has formed a down channel that I have been showing you in my so many previous videos as well. It was entered the channel here back in October 2021, and we have so many touch points at the resistance, but so far it is not able to break it out. Here we had a long spike, here we had a long spike, but you can see that every time it is getting rejected by this resistance here for several weeks, a month, and here as well, and here recently for the past 4 or 5 weeks we are getting rejected by this resistance, not able to break it out. But you can see that it's nicely being accumulated here. And during this move, Bonfida has formed this up channel on the daily time frame chart, and right now you can see it has formed this symmetrical triangle within this up channel. Now if Bonfida breaks out this symmetrical triangle, then there will be a very high probability that it will also break out this up channel. And for example, if it will break down this triangle, then it can also break down, obviously it can break down this up channel as well, and we will be completely rejected by this resistance of the channel, and we may move more down to test this support that we have approximately at 30 cents. And after testing this support, we may have some accumulation here, and then it will make another attempt to break it out. But right now we are still moving inside this channel, at the support of this channel and at the support of this triangle. Now let me show you the targets. For example, if we will have a breakout from this triangle, then our next target will be here. You can see it is showing us a projection beyond this resistance of the channel at 78 cents. And for example, if we break out the channel and we will have the closing above the channel, then our target, by the way, will be here at 93 cents. Here we had a very long spike, but you can see that the price line could not close above this resistance and return back inside this channel and still moving inside this channel. Therefore, this triangle on the daily time frame chart right now is very important. After breaking out this triangle, we can break out this channel and then we can move up to 93 cents. Now, if price line breaks out this channel and move to 93 cents, then definitely it will be moved above the resistance of this bigger down channel as well. And once we will have a weekly closing above this resistance of the down channel, the bigger down channel, then it can move more up to break out the next key resistance that we have at $1.30. And previously this level has been breaking as a support here, and recently we almost had a rejection by this level of $3.30. And after breaking out, we can expect that soon it can hit the sell target of this bigger down channel that will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.